In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove Docusign from Pipedrive CRM. If you've installed the Docusign integration and you're no longer using it, or you just want to clean up your workspace, removing it is very straightforward. I'll walk you through the fastest method step by step, and you can follow along directly in your own Pipedrive account. First, make sure you're logged into Pipedrive and that you're on the main dashboard. You'll want to look towards the top of the screen for the Marketplace icon. Depending on your layout, this may also be labeled as My Apps or show up as a small grid or Marketplace symbol. Go ahead and click that icon to open the Marketplace area. This is where all of your connected apps and integrations are managed. Once the Marketplace view opens, you should see a section that lists the apps currently connected to your Pipedrive account. In that list, look for Docusign. If you have a lot of apps, you may find it easier to use the search bar within the Marketplace and simply type Docusign to bring it up quickly. When you see Docusign in the list, click on it to open its details page. On the Docusign app page, you'll see information about the integration, and among the available options, there will be an uninstall button. This is the key option you're looking for when you want to completely remove the app from your Pipedrive account. Click the uninstall button once. After you click Uninstall, Pipedrive will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the integration. This extra step helps prevent you from uninstalling something by accident. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct app, and then confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Once you confirm, Pipedrive will process the request and remove Docusign from your account. In most cases, this happens almost instantly. The integration will no longer appear in your My Apps list, and any Docusign-specific buttons or shortcuts inside Pipedrive will disappear. If you still see something related to Docusign, try refreshing your browser to make sure everything updates properly. That's all you need to do. By using the Marketplace and the Uninstall option, you can quickly and cleanly remove Docusign from Pipedrive CRM whenever you no longer need it.